Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to the channel. My name is Luis, and today we'll be changing the spark plugs on my 2015 Mazda 3. Let's go! Alright guys, so today's job is going to be pretty simple. We're not going to need a lot of things to get this job done, but we have a drill here with an 8mm socket. We also have a ratchet with a long extender with a 14mm socket, and of course, your OEM spark plugs. All right guys, so first things first is we're gonna go ahead and remove this cover here. It's pretty easy. You just pull up right here and it just comes right off. So we're gonna go ahead and put that aside. And then it's gonna go ahead and reveal your ignition coils. Here we go, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So this is where a drill comes in handy with the 8mm socket right here. So we're gonna go ahead and drill these 4 off. Pretty easy. And we'll just go ahead and put them aside so we don't lose them. Alright guys, so now what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and use our ratchet with our long extender here and our 14mm socket. And we're just going to go ahead and loosen up the spark plug that's in the inside here. And that should do it right there. A little pro tip, go ahead and grab your ignition coil. Push it back inside, and boom, there's your spark plug. So there's number 1. So go ahead and put that aside. And since we're already at it, we'll just go ahead and put our new one in. So we'll pull it out here. I always like using OEM when it comes to motor stuff, just because I just feel a lot safer using it than going to somewhere like AutoZone or O'Reilly and getting something that's a little aftermarket. This way I have the peace of mind knowing that it actually came from the factory and it'll work as it's supposed to. So that's why I enjoy using OEM stuff. So we're gonna go ahead and put it back down on in there. And we're gonna go ahead and screw this back in. Make sure it's seated right. Once you feel it pretty snug here, you're just going to go ahead and turn it just a little bit. And then we're going to go ahead and put our ignition coil back on in there. Make sure it's nice and clean. Send her back on in there. Make sure she's nice and snug. Go ahead and put the screw back in. And there we go, it's pretty easy. Alright guys, and just like that, we're done. It took about maybe 15-20 minutes to do it, and you're good to go. Off and running. Alright guys, well that's it. Thank you so much for tuning into the channel. Hope this was helpful for you. If you like what you saw, please subscribe, hit the like button, and we'll see you next time. Peace.